welcome to Watch It Paint It. This video is just a quick preview, a little unboxing video of what I'm going to be painting on the channel very soon. This is a miniature set called War in the Christmas Village. It's by Jackalope. It was on Kickstarter previously, and they've kind enough to send us a copy of the previous Kickstarter so I could paint it for the channel. The sequels for the miniatures are on Kickstarter at the moment, so I'll leave a link in the description below for that. And let's start with Sophie opening the very exciting package that arrived in the mail for us.
I can't rip it. Got one.
What is it?
Open it and see what it is.
Turn it over.
I can see what it is. Put it in bed.
What is it? So we'll just switch back to me whizzing through it so we can get through it nice and quickly. So you're presented with a nice, fairly simple box with some artwork to paint from. That's quite helpful. And then inside you've got 6 miniatures. These are 28mm miniatures, and this one is Dark Santa. They're pretty clean models. I don't see many mold lines. I've not had to clean them up very much. There's a few rough spots to sand down. This one is Krampus. They look pretty simple to paint. I don't think these will be difficult, and yet they've got quite a lot of detail from what I can see. Not painted them up yet to completely know for certain, but they look very detailed raw like this. So this is an animated snowman of some sort. He's got a big shield and a hammer. He's going to be painted white. Not looking forward to that myself. So this one was a stretch goal. It's a zombie reindeer, so that's going to be a lot of fun to paint. Lots of gore if you like that sort of thing. And a creature as well, just mixing it up. A couple of snowmen, a couple of humans, a monster, and a reindeer, zombie reindeer. St. Nick, this one, again, plenty of detail on that, and yet looks very sort of clean lines, very easy to segregate each area. And again, another animated snowman. Then the last bit you get is this die. I wasn't quite sure what it was for, so I thought I'd quickly look on YouTube for some reviews of this, and I just found other people saying they're not quite sure what it's for. So you get a die with some directional signs and a skull and a crossbones on it. Thank you all very much for watching.